Hey, my owlets, it's Darla from Crafty Yarn Owl. Welcome. All right, if you're just tuning in for the first time, this is mainly a crochet channel. Let me block that glare. But today we have a crafting haul from Temu. Now this is take 2 because I've already recorded it, and there was so much glare, I had to delete the whole thing. So, take 2. All right, I took everything out of the packages. This one here that I just covered up is shiny on its own without the plastic packaging. But anywho, now I'm not affiliated with Temu at all, but I will leave the links below for these items, just in case you're interested, as long as they're still available. Now Temu tends to discontinue items often. Yeah, that's my experience anyway. And I make junk journals, and I just sold one over the weekend. Yes, so excited. Thank you so much for buying that. This is the one right on the screen here. It came with the gift bag, which I also made, and I'm so excited for whoever's going to be receiving it. So the other items in the picture are little crochet handbags that I made. So they're still in my shop waiting for a new home. They're 25% off, as was the junk journal. So let's take a look at what I bought from Temu. Okay, what am I going to do with this? We'll get to that one. Too much of a glare. I took them out of the packages. This one is still in the package, but it was in also a bag. So I took the bag off. Look at this. What are those called? What are those called? I'm thinking it's policy closure. Where they used to close them like that? I don't know. But it is a good little package. So here it is. These are, let me move you so you can see better. Alrighty then. So these are not shiny, and they're flowers, all kinds of different sizes of flowers. They're different colors, and I really like them. I've seen crafters, take a bigger flower and then, layer them. So, and I like that look. So I don't know, I'm just grabbing random. I don't know how these are gonna really look. Hey, that's not bad. And then they put a brad right through there, or a staple, or they glue them together, and ink the edges to make each layer stand out. Yeah, it's pretty good paper. It's not really thick, but it's not really thin either. So yes, I'm happy with this purchase. I like them. Look at that one. Yes, I like them. All right, so there's that. There's also butterflies and dragonflies in this pack. And then let's go to this one. Now this one just came just the way it is in a plastic bag. Now these are, I don't know, are they postcard size? I'm not sure. But all the information will be in the link if you want to click it and take a look. Oh, here, let me just measure these. You can use them for writing space, writing cards in your journals, or or just write a note on the back of them, put it with a gift of some kind, whatever you feel like doing. All right, so I'm going to do inches here. Almost 5.5 by just over 3 3/4. Yeah, so they're a nice size, and you can fussy cut these ladies out and put them on a page or something. Decorate a bookmark or a tag. Yeah, or you could cut them both out together if you like. Or if you just want to make a little label or something, you could just cut out just a little bit of that and use it. I like this. It looks like it's bent over, but it's not. Cool, right? Oh, so there's several in here. And I think are they all different? No, there's 2 of each. So there's that one. I think they're a nice size. I like them. So 2, and then there's this. That one. I think they're very nice. And they're thin paper. They're not thick at all. Just very thin. But not very thin, I shouldn't say. They're not going to rip very easily. And they're all ladies from another era. Yeah, they're pretty cool. I like them. What do you guys think? Do you like these? You can even fussy cut these flowers out. Yeah. Oh, rosy cheeks. Rosy cheeks. And then these are stickers. And I guess they go with these ladies here? I did not take note of that the first time I went through them. Well, I don't see her in the stickers. But they are they all different? Oh, wait. Okay, these two. Okay, there's two of each. Right? Right. All right, so they are individual stickers. Yeah. But they're nice. You could put them on little tags or something. So that's that one. Now this one here is, this is ladies as well. What does that say? What does that say? I saw that the first time I went through it and I'm like, what the heck? Anyway, the cards came in this box, which is kind of nice, right? And also came in a plastic bag over top of all of this. So yeah, this can be reused. You can actually use that as a junk journal. You know, you would have your spine there. Just remove this spine. Cut open on the bottom. And then you could put a picture in here for your front cover. Oh, beautiful. All right. So anyway, let's remove that. Now these are a tad shiny. These were matte. These are just a little shiny. So it was mainly the packaging that was really glaring on the video. So yeah, it was very good. So you could fussy cut these ladies out one at a time. Her arm is going over her dress a little bit. You could actually cut them both out, fussy cut both of them out, and put them on a card. Or you just leave them like this, right? And then put some kind of coffee dyed paper or tea dyed paper or something on the back that people can write on. They can still write on this, I believe, because it's not all, you know, there's not a coating on it. 1950s dress styles. Pretty cool though, right? And there's quite a few in this package, and they're all different. So simplicity looks like it came from, you know, the sewing patterns from years ago. That's what it looks like. Printed patterns. Reminds me of Marilyn Monroe style, right? Designer pattern. Yeah, they're kind of neat. Gee whiz, I used to be that skinny. Oh, yep. Cute, right? Look at the high heels. Yeah, so these are all different. What's that one say? Economy design. Yeah, big hat. I like these styles and stuff. I think they look pretty cool. All right, so that's those. And then we'll go on to the other item, the last item, which is shiny. All right. So these are Rub-ons. And I've had this brand before from Temu, and I like them. Okay. All right, let me just move you over, little lady. Okay. So, yeah, the glare. Yeah, this is shiny. These are Rub-ons. They're shiny. But the ones I had before weren't that shiny. But, okay, if you can stand that glare. It comes with these tools. There's 3 popsicle sticks to rub it on. There's this tool here. And then there's this big one. These are very tall. And you can use the whole thing on a really tall page in your junk journal. Or you can use pieces of it. Like something like this, you can cut it off. Cut this piece off. You can use it as a pocket. And you just rub it onto a piece of cardstock or something to make it into a pocket. Or say you just want a flower. You could just cut that part out, rub that part on. Maybe you want, like this flower is pretty tall from up there all the way down to the stem there. So that's pretty tall. You can use the whole thing, just this part of it on a page. Oh, I'm out of shot. If anything's going to go wrong when you're recording, it's everything. Anyway, so here we could use this whole thing on a page. You could use just the bottom of it and make another pocket, or whatever you like. So anyway, that is the first one in this package, and there are 6 all together, and they're all different. Okay, here's another one. I really love the music paper in the back, and there's a huge musical note right there. Yeah, that's really cool, right? And the brand is Winnipeg. I didn't mention that. It comes with this cardboard on the back. It kind of shows you, you know, what you can rub them onto. I mean, you could put them on furniture, cups. I don't know if I'd, you know, if that would be safe washing a cup with that on there. I don't know if it might come off. I really don't know. I've never tried. I just use them on paper. But I bought this Winnipeg brand before from Temu, and I really like them. They stick well. They're not hard to rub on. I've learned something though in the last little while. When I would rub-ons on, see, where's the tools? I buried them. So when I would rub them on, I'd pull up a little bit and I'd pull it up slowly, and then it would look like it would come up with the paper that's on top or the plastic that's on top. So I'd rub again, and I discovered that it's better if you don't pull slowly, but if you pull a little faster, and then it just seems to come right off the plastic cover that's on the front of the rub-ons. Don't, you know, make sure you have rubbed the whole thing on before you just rip the whole thing off, like you know, bandage off a wound. Oh no, don't do that. So rub some of it on, and then pull it a little faster, and it seems to let go of the top plastic easier that way. That's what my experience has been. So what do we have? We have some writing behind these. Huge stamp. Yeah, so you, whatever part, if you just want a little bit of writing on your page, just cut that out and rub it on. So it's just, you can use the whole thing, or you can cut parts out that you want to use. There's that one. And I don't know, I'm really kind of liking yellow flowers more and more than I used to. So I really like this one. Look at this. I love the musical notes back there. So here's another yellow one. Look at the size of that butterfly, or is it a moth? I'm not sure. It's huge, right? You could just cut this out. Fussy cut as much as you can around everything. Around the legs, that might be a little difficult, but you can cut it out and you could slap that on a page in a junk journal, and when somebody turns to that page, it'll be like, oh, what's that? Anyway, if you just want this part, just cut that out and use that part on a page or on a pocket or on a cover or whatever, right? So this is the last one. There's a big note there too. That's really cool. And then flowers of different colors. There's a clock. Yeah, so I like these because they rub on really good, and they stick really well. And so that's 6 of them in that package. All different. Yep, I like it a lot. Okay, so there's the rub-ons. The lovely ladies there, and then the lovely flowers of different sizes and colors. Oh, there's an orange one. That's nice. But a lot of them have like a pink in them, some shade of pink. But they're very nice. All right. Thanks, everyone. Greatly appreciate you being here. I'll talk to you again soon. All right. Bye. You don't have to use the whole thing all at once. It's just... Oh, excuse me. What is the beer? I'm just kidding. I don't drink.